Hey, little human, put that on your face.
Ice cream.
Ice cream? Are you sure it's not paint? Let me taste. Just one lick.
No.
Fine, but next time I'm eating all the ice cream.
Hey, tiny human, can you say Mimzo?
Remove.
Moo? Do I look like a cow? No, I'm a parrot, not a cow. Try again, Mimzo.
Rainbow.
Bimbo, that's my evil twin.
Ah. Oh. Oh. Oh.
Hey, tiny human, why are you staring at me like that?
You talk.
Of course I talk. Do you talk?
Yes.
No way, you stole my job. Fine, let's see who talks better. Say, banana.
Banana.
Banana. Ha, tie game.